Good morning, MA from Geneva, and it's day 23 of Virtual School Experience. I want to share with you a process I'm going through as I try to fix a lesson that kind of went off the rails a little bit. So I asked my IG1s, grade 9 equivalents, to do a Padlet task with the text that they're reading. And it was pretty deep learning because I was asking them to do some creative things with technology as well as the content. But I don't think this is where the issue lies in why the lesson didn't go as planned. I think it has something to do with the instructions and how they were given. So I gave them a 30-second audio prompt followed by the link to Padlet and then a written instructions. The written instructions were somewhat long. There were 6 steps that they had to follow, and I asked them to be very careful about how they followed those steps. As I observed them filling in the Padlet, they absolutely did not follow the instructions that I set for them. And in the regular physical classroom, I would have made sure that everyone understood the instructions before we went into the task. And then I would circulate through the classroom and help to redirect students who had gone off task in a coaching kind of role in the classroom. In virtual, we can't do that. There isn't a facility to help us to observe and give immediate feedback to students who are going off track. I was trying to desperately text them in our messaging system, like, stop, you're doing it wrong. But I realized everyone was doing it wrong, which means there was a problem with me, not with them. So I need to find a way to give instructions better, to check on the understanding of those instructions, and to redirect when necessary. So if you have ideas about that, let me know. I'm still brainstorming. And of course, today in class, I have to not move forward with what I was going to do, but go backwards and ask them to debrief on that assignment. What went wrong? Why didn't you follow? I suspect it has to do with my instructions, but secondly, we have trained them to complete tasks and move on because they don't see the intrinsic value in what we're doing all the time. And we need to train that out of them as well. So those are my thoughts for today. I'd love to hear your ideas about this. Have a great day.